Simply download AirServer for Windows, cast your iPhone's or iPad screen to AirServer, and you're done. This quick tip tutorial is brought to you by Restream. Start streaming from your web browser for free today using the Restream Live Studio, or check out our Restream playlist to learn how Restream can help you with your live streaming needs. Hey everyone, Greenie for Greenbox here, and in this video I will show you how you can get your iPhone's or iPad screen onto your Windows computer to either record it or live stream it or do whatever you want with it. So let's not waste any time and jump into the tools we need for that. To make this happen, we are using AirServer for Windows 10. AirServer is a piece of software which allows you to cast your AirPlay or Google Cast or Mirrorcast to this application, and therefore you can then record it or live stream it. Unfortunately, AirServer isn't free software and it costs $20, but there is a 30-day trial. So if you want to check it out and see if it really fits your needs, you can do that 30 days for free. So let's download the software and install it, and after that I will walk you through how to set it up so you can cast your iPad's or iPhone screen to your Windows computer. Once AirServer is running on our system, we should now see a new option in our screen mirroring option, which allows us to stream to AirServer. Unfortunately, this is only the case when your computer and the device you want to cast from is in the same Wi-Fi network. If that's not the case and you have a more complex network setup, just like I have, we have to do an additional step. So in my case, I have to install an additional application on my iPad, which is called AirServer Connect. Once the app is installed, we can simply start it and it will give us step-by-step instruction how to go forward. So on our computer, we now need to obtain a QR code which allows the app to find it on the network. To do that, we go to our system tree, to the AirServer application, do a right click on it and say QR code for AirServer Connect. Once we did that, we can use our iPad, say scan QR code, and after we scan the QR code, we get a success message on our iPad, and from now on, we should be able to simply cast to our computer. And as mentioned before, in the screen mirroring, we now have a new option, which is our desktop computer. And from now on, we are able to cast our iPhone or iPad to our Windows computer. However, there are two more things I want to show you before we end this quick tip video. Of course, we're not only receiving video from our iPad or iPhone, we also do receive audio. And if you want to live stream this setting might be interesting for you. So if we go into View, Settings, we get the options here to define where audio is going. In my case, it's going to my system default, and that's fine for my specific setup. If you are a voice meter user and you have a specific setup which requires you to have a different input for your live streaming setup, you might want to change this over here. In addition, I want to showcase you how you can capture this window using the Restream Live Studio so you can bring in your iPad into your live streams. Alright, we are in the Restream Live Studio, and this is the place where you usually would have your face cam. So hello, there I am, but for the sake of this video not having me from two weird angles, I'm going to disable my webcam. And in here you can now bring in your iPad or iPhone by simply clicking the screen share button and then go to Window and select AirServer. Once you did that, you will now have AirServer in your Restream Live Studio. So if you want to bring your iPhone or iPad on your screen, you simply go over to your sources, enable it, and we now have my iPad on the Restream Live Studio, and all the people currently watching the live stream will be able to see what I do. And here is one very last bonus tip. You might see this not so pretty top bar of our AirServer window, and if you wonder how to remove that, the answer is pretty simple. Simply open your AirServer application, do a double click on the screen, and now you're in full screen mode. Now simply use your Windows key to tap out of it, go back to your Restream Live Studio, and from now on the top bar is gone. So once more, a big thanks to Restream for sponsoring today's video. If you want to start streaming from your web browser, as I do here right now, check out Restream, sign up for a free Restream account, and if you use my link in the video description down below, you will get a $10 Restream credit in case you want to upgrade to a premium account later down the road. I am Greeny, this is Greenbox. I really hope this quick tip helped you. In case it did, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I will see you in another video. Probably one of the videos currently here on the end screen. So please click one of those videos and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye!